Hey, this is Jordan from Pedo Trains, and I'm here with. Why are you here?
I don't know. People haven't seen me for a while, so I'm
Yeah,
just kind of. Remember, I was fired for a bit,
he was
so
fired for rail fanning on the job.
yeah.
That's a capital offense,
I'm just kind of
fireable
here,
offense.
kind of here.
Even though there's no N scale, I mean,
Well, we got these little guys here. You've seen these. These are pretty
that's
cool.
N scale CTA. That's
Yeah.
that's not a deadline or a launch though.
No,
That's it's on the way though.
but
So
they're real and they're spectacular.
yes, and we'll be doing another video on that pretty soon.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, we have some February 2026 launches to discuss.
Yeah.
And we've got a couple of them already here. Why don't we
What?
start with the FL9?
What the heck are these?
That's an FL9. It's the most beautiful paint scheme ever created.
Oh.
This is the 1970s Penn Central repaint in lemon yellow and blue. But yeah. So
I mean,
yeah.
You do you. It's fine.
Exactly. So we announced our last run of FL9s a little while back, and that includes the Morrison Knudsen rebuilds for Condot. That includes the Penn Centrals, the Conrails, and a bunch of other ones. And we're actually reopening that order book to get more orders for those FL9s. And we're also very excited to announce a new run of the delivery FL9s. These are the EDR 5A and EDR 5. I got that
Exactly.
backwards. I
Yeah.
should have done it the other way.
Yeah.
These are the delivery FL9s that New Haven purchased between 1956 and 1960. And we haven't run these in 10 years. So this is probably your last chance to get a new run of original FL9s for a very long time.
Another 10 years.
Exactly. So we've got all the FL9s, pretty much all the FL9s coming, both steam heated and head end power, depending on what era. This covers everything from 1956 to 2009, when they were finally retired by the Connecticut Department of Transportation.
Do not miss out
No, you don't want to miss out
No.
on that.
because
For another 10 years.
you could have one of these
Yes.
on your layout.
Exactly. The Penn Central blue and yellow, that is
Yes.
Anyways, we have another HO scale locomotive that we need to talk about. That is the SW9. So we announced these a couple years back, 2-3 years back. Then we re-announced them with some new schemes. And today we're actually announcing another batch of new schemes that are being delivered along with all of the other ones in March and April of this year. First off, this is probably the most colorful one. This is a bicentennial locomotive done up in 1976. In fact, it's called the Spirit of 76, of course.
Just in time for the 250th.
Exactly. And this is the Cullimore and Idaho?
No, it's the Cambridge and Indianapolis.
The Cambria and Indiana. That's the name of that railroad. A little bit of an inside joke there, but it's very cool. And we've actually tooled a whole bunch of new detail parts for this locomotive. So we've got new plain bearing flexi-coil trucks. We've got the Cambria and Indiana's kind of funky headlight that they had on these, and a bunch of other neat details
Thank
as
you
well.
for not calling it a friction bearing truck.
No, it's a plain
That's
bearing
a slur.
truck. Yeah, exactly. That's problematic.
Yes.
Also, they have the funny little. It's kind of like a Hancock without the thing, the surrounding thing, the bell. So
Ding.
yeah, it's a little Hancock air whistle there.
Right.
And we have some other ones as well. We have Canadian National. You may recall that we are doing Canadian National already, but that is the 1952 the wafer logo, the square logo. This is the round logo that came
Wafers.
in 54. Wafers are quite good. Good with coffee or tea.
Yeah.
This is the post 54 round logo. And we're doing these on spec to add on to the run, because why not? And they are available to order through repeatertrains.com or your dealer, of course. And we've got one more cool pair. This is the Sioux Line Twin Ports SW9s. These are made on spec, just like the Cambria and Indiana and the CN Post 54 logos. These are made in very limited numbers. Once they're gone, and they're available through repeatertrains.com, repeatertrains.ca, or your local dealer.
Are we going to talk about this one?
Yes, so we have another one here. So these are actually an
Just gonna
exclusive
blur it out. So
for Hobby Time distributors. This is an exclusive for them. We've got 3 road numbers of the very famous Shawmut Line SW9s. These were very famous. They painted pretty much their whole fleet in the 70s in this cool bicentennial scheme. And this is one of them. We've got 3 different names and numbers. Ask your dealer to order through Hobby Time distributors while supplies last on those. Very nice. We think they're going to go very quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, this is a quick look at our launches. Am I forgetting any? Oh no, we have something else. We have something else that we're announcing. Yeah. This is for a project we already announced.
Oh, that,
yeah. So the very similar.
Think these.
Think
but bigger.
Yes. Think horribly oversized CTA Budd L cars and HO. We already announced these, but a lot of people kind of screamed at us like, why are they all powered? So we're very excited to announce that some of them are now unpowered. We are adding unpowered Budd CTA L cars to the run that we've already announced, and they will all be coming at the same time. I don't know if we haven't announced an order deadline quite yet, but that's going to be coming up soon because we do have operating samples. They're actually operating at the Museum of Science and Industry right now, and you can probably see them there if you're visiting the museum, kind of torture testing them. Good place to do it too. But yeah, we got a whole series of new road numbers that you can add on and expand your Budd CTA trains.
We own transit.
Yes, we do. We do, and we're forever expanding that transit lineup.
Yes.
So get yours in today, and stay tuned. We're going to be talking about those again very soon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyhow, that's it for this month's announcements, new announcements here at Rapido. We will see you in another video pretty soon for more deadlines coming up in March, and
including some
yes,
some videos of this scale.
Yes.
This right here. So yeah, it's coming.
It's coming. It's coming.
I just want to let you know, there's more N-scale coming, like good stuff, really cool stuff. And April, I think, is our big one that we're.
I think is it going to be April?
I think it's the it's going to be massive.
We'll see how that goes.
Yes.
We think so, anyways.
And I got faith that you will think it's massive. So.
Precisely.
That's pretty much all I have.
That's all you have, and that's all that you need to have. Yes. So we'll see you in the next video.
Bye now.
Lunatics!